Of course, a key element in market opportunity analysis of any type, or even market planning or market problem solving, is going through the strategic marketing process. So let's take a little bit of time and review the strategic marketing process and the steps to make it happen.
Okay, so what I've done here on this slide is I've put together the steps in that strategic marketing process. Remember how it all started? With the situation analysis. Where are we? The second step, goal setting. Where do we want to be? The third step, strategy. That is, how are we going to get from where we are to where we want to be? Remember that the strategy included the generic competitive strategy, positioning that we're going to talk about later on, and target markets, which we'll be talking about later on, and how we fit the 4 P's together. The tactical action plan then follows. That is, those are the factors that we use, or the actual action plan that we use to make that strategy come to life. We talk about implementation. We implement that strategy, and then we evaluate it to see if we're actually going where we thought we were going, or whether there needs to be a modification to the strategy, to the action plan, or the implementation procedures. Here's a table that came out of your book that shows the sort of actions in the strategic marketing process, and I think this would probably be good for you to review every once in a while to remember how the strategic marketing process, what the actions are in the strategic marketing process. I love this particular picture because it talks about how the marketing manager has at their disposal the 4 P's, the product, the price, the promotion, and the place, and how those things need to be fit together to come up with a cohesive marketing strategy plan that can be implemented. So in summary, remember, you need to think strategically. Marketing strategy.